Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Speaking and Listening Club. I am so glad you are here today, because we are about to begin the most exciting and transformative journey you can ever take, a journey that doesn't require a plane ticket, a huge amount of money, or waiting for the perfect time. We are going to talk about how to transform your life in 21 days. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, 21 days? That's too short to change a lifetime of habits. But I'm not talking about a complete and total overhaul overnight. I'm talking about something far more powerful, a strategic ignition. Think of a rocket. The most critical phase is the initial launch, that powerful burst that breaks it free from gravity's pull. The next 21 days are your launch sequence. This is about creating an unstoppable momentum, about proving to yourself, beyond any doubt, that change is possible and that you are the one in control. We will use the incredible science of habit formation, the idea that it takes about 21 days to wire a new behavior into your neural pathways to lay a new foundation for your life. This is not about perfection. This is about direction. If you are ready to break free from the gravity of your old routines and launch yourself toward your dream life, then let's begin. I've got you. The absolute first step, before we even talk about day one, is the conscious decision, drawing your line in the sand. Transformation cannot be a vague wish. It must be a conscious, deliberate choice. You need a defining moment where you say, enough. The old story ends here. I want you to take a piece of paper right now. At the top, write the old life. Underneath, describe in a few sentences the parts of your life you are ready to release. The procrastination, the negative self-talk, the mindless scrolling, the physical lethargy, the financial disorganization, whatever it is for you. Now, draw a line across the page. Below it, write the new life. Describe who you are becoming. I am a person of disciplined action. I speak to myself with kindness. I use my time with purpose. I am strong and full of energy. I manage my money wisely. This paper is your contract with yourself. It is your declaration of independence from your past. The 21-day journey is the process of moving everything from above the line to below it. This act of clarity is your rocket's ignition switch. You are not just hoping for change. You are commanding it, with your destination clear. We begin day one with our foundational habit, the non-negotiable morning anchor. Your morning sets the emotional and psychological tone for your entire day. For the next 21 days, you will claim the first hour for yourself, without exception. This is not a lazy, slow hour. It is a purposeful, powerful hour built on 3 pillars, and you will do them in this order: silence, hydration, and movement. First, silence. When you wake up, do not reach for your phone. For the first 10 minutes, sit in silence. Breathe deeply. You can simply look out the window, or you can practice a short gratitude meditation. This quiet space allows your own thoughts and intentions to surface before the world's noise crashes in. Second, hydration. Drink a large glass of water, perhaps with lemon. You are rehydrating your brain and signaling to your body that it's time to wake up. Third, movement. Engage in 15 to 20 minutes of physical activity. This is not about an intense workout. It's about circulation. It could be stretching, yoga, a brisk walk, or dancing to one song. The goal is to get your blood flowing and release endorphins. This trio, silence, hydration, movement, done consistently for 21 days, will rewire your nervous system to start the day from a place of calm control and energy, not stress and reaction. As you move through your newly anchored mornings, you will need to guard your focus fiercely. This brings us to the critical habit for your days, the daily deep focus block. For the next 21 days, you will practice monotasking, doing one thing at a time with full presence. Each day, you will identify your one most important thing, OMIT. What is the single task that, if you completed it, would make everything else easier or even unnecessary? At a specific scheduled time, for example, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., you will enter your deep focus block. You will turn off all notifications. Put your phone in another room. Close all irrelevant browser tabs. And work solely on that one task. You will not check email. You will not get a snack. You will not wander. You will work for 90 minutes. This practice trains your brain's focus muscle, which has likely been weakened by constant multitasking and digital distraction. The quality of work and the sense of accomplishment you get from this one block will be greater than an entire unfocused day. It teaches you that you are capable of profound concentration and meaningful progress. Of course, as you build these new structures, the old you will protest. The voice of doubt, comfort, and distraction will grow loud. This is why our fourth habit is the evening audit and reparenting session. Transformation is cemented not just by what you do, but by how you process what you did. Every night, before bed, you will have a 10-minute conversation with yourself. Get your journal. Ask 2 questions. What did I do today that the new me would do? And where did the old me show up? For the first, celebrate it. The new me drank water first thing. The new me completed the deep focus block. Acknowledge these wins. They are proof of change. For the second, observe without judgment. The old me wanted to scroll social media for an hour after lunch. Then practice reparenting. Talk to that part of you with the kindness of a loving parent. It's okay to feel tired or distracted. That's normal. But we are building new habits now. Tomorrow, when we feel that urge, we will take 3 deep breaths and choose to read for 10 minutes instead. This nightly audit does 2 things. It reinforces your new identity by noticing evidence of it. And it disarms your old patterns with compassion, not criticism, preventing shame from derailing you. Finally, to ensure this transformation is holistic and joyful, you must incorporate the daily energy deposit. You cannot run a transformation marathon on an empty tank. For 21 days, you must deliberately deposit energy into your physical, mental, and emotional accounts. This means nourishing food, 1 healthy, intentional meal a day. Learning, 15 minutes of reading or listening to something uplifting. Not work-related, and connection, 1 genuine. Positive interaction with another human being, a real conversation, a kind text, a moment of help. These are non-negotiable deposits. They ensure you are not just extracting performance from yourself, but investing in the human being who is doing the work. Transformation that is all discipline and no joy will not last. These deposits make the journey sustainable and even enjoyable. So here's your 21-day manifesto. Phase 1, days 1到7, the launch. Focus solely on consistency in your morning anchor and your evening audit. Don't worry about perfection elsewhere. Just establish the bookends of your day. Phase 2, days 8到14, integration. Add in the daily deep focus block. Protect that 90 minutes like your life depends on it. Continue the morning and evening routines. Phase 3, days 15到21, consolidation expansion. Now add the daily energy deposits. You are now running the full system. You are living the new identity. At the end of 21 days, you will not have a perfect life. But you will have something far more valuable, a proven system and unshakable self-trust. You will have proven to yourself that you can keep promises to yourself. You will have a morning ritual that grounds you, a focused mind that can achieve, a reflective practice that guides you, and habits that fill your cup. You will have broken the gravitational pull of your old routines. From this new orbit, you can see your life with new clarity and steer it in any direction you choose. The next 21 days are not just a countdown. They are a count-up to the person you were always meant to be. Start today. Draw your line. The launch sequence begins now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.